Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning I'm visiting with Leslie Workman. She's Pike County's Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Leslie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Leslie, today we're back talking about baking soda and how it really is for everything.
So who knew baking soda could be so fascinating?
Right. I know. I'm learning so much from you that we decided that we needed to do another segment on baking soda. So Leslie, you mentioned that there is a good paste that we can make. What is that paste and what can we do with it?
So baking soda is a wonderful cleaning agent. You can use it in all sorts of ways, but a really handy thing to do with it is you can make a paste. So if you'll use, the ratio is 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. And an easy way to remember that is a tablespoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of water. That's a 3-to-1 ratio. Some great things to clean with that are, like at my house, we're tea and coffee drinkers. I've noticed that our coffee cups get stained. They'll have that brown residue on the inside of the cup. You can use that paste and clean those cups and they'll be just as white as they were when you bought them from the store. Plastic food containers, anybody who's ever made spaghetti or taco meat, and then you might maybe microwave them or store too long, and then they turn orange and have that odor residue that you can't seem to get rid of. A baking soda paste will remove that safely without scratching the interior of your container. It'll also take off hard water sediment. So, you can buy commercial cleaners that are very harsh chemicals that will remove that, but a baking soda paste will take off a lot of it because it is bicarbonate of soda and has its own chemical properties that will remove hard water.
Now, Leslie, when you make your baking soda paste, do you make at the time that you're going to use it, or do you make it ahead of time and store it and then have it made for when you want to use it?
I just take a little glass dish and make it right there at the sink. If it dries out, just add a little more water. It's, it won't hurt anything. And sometimes if I'm really lazy, I may just sprinkle a little bit on my rag as I'm doing my dishes. If you get a little more or less water, it's not really, there's no perfect science to it. So any way you go, you can't lose.
Now, you mentioned that baking soda is a great deodorizer. How do you like to use it?
Well, most of us know to put it in our refrigerator to absorb odors. But the other thing you can do with it, you can use it as a deodorizer for carpet. So if you have a musty room or a place in your carpet that has gotten odorous for some reason, you can sprinkle it on, let it sit for maybe 30 minutes, vacuum it off, and it will have absorbed those odors. Another good place is tennis shoes or a gym bag, maybe that has gotten smelly. A couple tablespoons of baking soda. I do this for my son's tennis shoes. I'll put a tablespoon of baking soda in when he gets home from work, shake it around and let him sit. And then in the morning, we just knock that soda out into the trash can and you wouldn't even know that he's worn them.
Well, Leslie, thank you so much for being with us today. It truly is eye-opening to think about ways that we can make our home more cleanly by using just an affordable item that we can find in the grocery aisle.
Baking soda is about 75 cents a box, and that is, I think, extremely economical.
Definitely. And compared to some of those high-end deodorants or multi-cleaners, it can really save us when we're watching our bank account, or especially times like these when we're probably spending some extra money on other various cleaning supplies. Leslie, thank you so much for being with us today. If you are watching and would like more information, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.